What's going on, y'all? So, funny day today. I woke up at around 6 a.m. I'm also doing this thing. I watched the movie Inception yesterday at my job. I just be watching movies when I work. And I was watching Inception, and just the whole concept of the movie, the idea of the movie, it in a way, it kind of like, it encapsulated. I forgot the word. Encapsulated. I'm trying to say a big word right now. Encapsulated my mind. Just the concept and the idea of it all. Inception and, dreaming. I'm gonna be real with y'all. Inception was the first movie that I ever watched that made me like tear up. I don't know. It was just towards the ending, like when you know what those guys went through to do what they had to do, and when you see the relationships between the two characters, you're like, yo, it hits. It's like, bro, the way, especially Leonardo da Vinci, he's such a good actor. The way he looked at him, bro, like, bro, and plus the song that was playing in the background called Time by Hans Zimmer, it's like it made it so emotional, bro. That was the first movie that I watched where I was like, I had tears in my eyes. I was crying, bro, because you just knew what that dude was dying. He was dying, bro, and you feel me? It's like they went through so much and they made it out. It's like, bro, I kind of refer it to my life. Like, I'm going through so much. I'm going through all this, but in the end, I know I'm gonna cry, bro, when I make it. I know I am. I know I'm gonna cry. When I make it, I'm doing everything for my family, and I'm the man I am gonna become. I'm gonna cry. But like, yeah, that's the first movie I ever watched where I was tearing up. Seriously, like that's an impactful movie. But today I woke up early, did my devotion, and I went straight immediately to my school to take an exam. I did not do well. I did not pass that exam, high key. It literally told me the results after, and I was like, oh well, I'm used to failure. I'm a trader. Like, yeah, that's normal. Then I ended up marking out price from last night, and I was seeing how it was headed, and it was looking pretty good. And I was watching ES again. ES came through. I seen the ES took out a high, and it also tapped a 007 zone. I'm gonna show y'all the trade I took, and bro, price was moving very sweet today. And I'm driving, like I'm on the road, and I'm looking at price, and I go on Top Step on my phone. And I ended up taking a sell on ES on my phone. And bro, the thing is, I had my entry set, and I thought price was gonna leave me. For some reason, it spiked up. It shot up. It scared me. I was like, whoa, what's up? It spiked up, tapped me in the trade immediately. I immediately set my stop loss. I was like, that price action is kind of crazy. Set my stop loss, and then price started rallying down. I was like, yo, this is going, pretty good. And I risked one contract. It made 1,000 on one contract of ES. On ES, bro, I'm not trading more than one. Like, I know. One contract. And I was aiming for 1,000, I just thought to myself, to make 1,000 3 times. I'm not trying to go for that 1,400 for it, because every time I try to go for that 1,400 to try to pass it in like quickly, that's me rushing. And fast is slow in trading, and slow is fast. So I'm taking the slow route. So I was only aiming for a band, but I seen price moving pretty quick. I was like, bro, 1,400 is right there. I can easily just put it at a 1. 1,400 is at a 1-2, so I can even go for 1-3, because one contract was gonna give me 1,400 at a 1-2, at a 1-2. So I was like, all right, let me just wait for price to hit a band, and I'm gonna close. So then I seen price at the band, and I was thinking, should I take the 100 or should I go for the 1,400? Or should I take the 1,000 or should I go for the 1,400? And I was like, you know what? If I'm having, like, once I get thoughts in my mind to decide in the middle of a trade, I just take the easier decision, which is just take 1,000. So I closed the position at 1,000, which I was okay with. And obviously I think price is probably still dropping right now. I don't know. But I know it went for the 1,400. And I wasn't like, damn, I should have waited. No. It's straight. I'm straight. It's good. I made my band. Now I just need to make $600 more. Like, I'm $600 away from being funded. So, mind you, I took the trade on my phone. Like, I wasn't in front of my setup. That's how better I got at trading. I could trade on my phone and make a band while I'm on the road. But this is only eval, so I'm not gonna boost my head up. I'm not gonna give myself too much credit. It's only eval. We're not funded yet. The job's not finished. We're up 2-0. You know, just like Kobe. Job's not finished. What's there to be happy about? The job is not finished. I need one more trade. One more trade. I'm one trade away from being funded. And then once I'm funded, I'm waiting till I get paid to activate the account. Once I activate the account, rinse and repeat. Rinse and repeat. Now it's not a matter of, oh, let me just try to get to it. No, I'm just gonna trade normally. Just trade the account when I see the setup. Trade the account, see it, and there's no limit, so I can let I can let price run. You feel me? This time I can let price run. So let price run. Trade responsibly. Every time I take a trade, I start this breaking structure. Just put my stops at break even, and let price go to where I want to go, and you know, just continue to do that. And I'm seeing that this season of isolation that I put myself in has been rewarding. It's been making me think more clear. It's been making me more creative. It's been making me more open to just myself, you know, and my mind has cleared up in trading. And I'm not gonna lie, watching a lot of psychology videos has honestly kept me grounded. I don't know why I'm talking about that. It's kept me grounded. So shout out to that YouTuber Salman. I have like a playlist of all his psychology videos, and watching his videos kept me grounded as a trader. So it's like one thing I do, I have a list. I'm gonna show y'all on the video when I do the recap. I have a list of what I do every day of 365 daily non-negotiables that I do on a daily basis, and watching a trading psychology video is one of them. So yep, I do that, and it's been helping me. So I'm just gonna say glory to God. Skin's looking pretty beautiful too, because you know that's that isolation glow. But yeah, man, I'm finna show you the recap right about now. All right, so this was the daily non-negotiables I was telling you about: devotion, workout, listen to podcasts, read back to the journal, and watching a trading psychology video. Right, that's what I do every single day. And then here is the trade recap. So I was watching price, and I seen that price broke. This was a high, a low, first high created, but price broke past this first high and this first high, and this high. So at first I would have considered this a market structure shift if I didn't remember that price is also trading in an old bearish range right here. So seeing this, I was like, okay, why did price specifically stop right here and reject? So then I went on the 4-hour chart, and I seen that we are in a 007 zone, you know? So that's why price rejected like that. So price rejected, and I was waiting for price to make its move after it took out this first high and also rejected heavily from this area right here. So upon seeing that, I wanted a 5-minute, and I wanted to see a shift on the higher time frame, specifically the 15-minute. Saw that shift. Once I seen that shift, I wanted a 5-minute and marked out this clean supply right here and set my entry right here. So price, it came up. I thought it was gonna tap me in, but it left me. I was like, I guess so. But I still kept the limit order. Price then shot up. That's the thing I was telling you about, where it kind of shocked me. Like, whoa, shot up, tagged me in, and right about here was like the 1400 I was telling you about. But where I closed was at a band. Let me show y'all the account right now. This is the account. I'm locked out. You know, comfortable with what I made today. That's the balance of the account now. Made a rack today. So happy about that, honestly. And yeah, it's pretty much the account, honestly. It's pretty much the account. And that's the update on the account so far. These are the trades I've taken. So just one more trade away, and I'm funded, bro. So just got to keep God first, keep taking my setup, and everything will work out. I'm locked out, so there's no more trades being taken for the rest of the day. I'm going to go ahead and go journal this trade and, you know, do the before, after, and during a trade. And oil literally is in a supply right as we speak. Like, oil still has a setup that is going to throw later. That I know it is. I just need that shift to happen. You feel me? That shift needs to happen for me to be even interested. And it low-key did, but like, what is this? Like, what is this? Like, bro, oil was just not it today, bro. So, I mean, oil is gonna get there eventually.
Probably gonna show a setup later because we are in a higher time frame supply. But yeah, man, like, just y'all seen it for yourselves, bro. You feel me? Y'all are going to witness the profitable man I'm about to become. So yeah, I'm also gonna share some personal updates about my life and just what's been going on lately with me. So I'm gonna check back a little later. So all right, y'all.